Do you throw away banana peel? After knowing this, you never will again. It is difficult to find someone who does not like bananas, not by chance it is the most consumed fruit in the world. The banana is not only tasty, but also very rich in nutrients such as vitamin B6, potassium, phosphorus, and pectin. Eating bananas regularly helps fight free radicals, reduce swelling, prevent cramps, and stimulate the nervous system. This tasty fruit can also help prevent many diseases, such as osteoporosis, kidney cancer, and more. The power of bananas is not just about the soft part of the fruit. The peel is also very powerful, and this is what you will see now. We have selected some uses for the banana peel that are unknown to many people. Enjoy and leave in the comments where you're watching this video from, and I'll take advantage and pass on a message that is in Matthew 6:33. But seek ye first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. In other words, it is very easy for us to put focus on the wrong priorities in our life. The demands are enormous, and by the time we realize it, we are anxious, worried about needs, and afraid of the future. Jesus wants our attention to be directed to God first and to the fulfillment of his will. The focus must be redirected to the Lord, his kingdom, and his righteousness. Basically, it is to put our trust totally in the Lord's hands and to seek him as most important. This should be the aim of the one who loves and trusts the Lord. He will see to it that the things we need are added. People, the banana peel can treat psoriasis, did you know? Just rub the inner part of the banana peel on the affected area, clean and without residues of cream or other products. At first, the skin may be redder than before, but don't worry, this is normal. You will see a great improvement in a few days. 2. Treat skin irritations and insect bites. Banana peel is rich in nutrients and can help relieve pain and decrease itching. Simply rub the inside of the banana peel directly over the irritated area. The peel will also keep the skin moisturized. Guys, if you want to receive our recipes firsthand, already take advantage and leave it here in the comments, I want it. And don't forget to like and share this tip that many people surely don't know. Share this video with more people to learn about these banana peel uses. We will meet again soon here for more tips, tricks and recipes, because after all, health comes first.